everyone, Ray here. On this video, I'm going to show you how to enroll your BPI accounts on their UITF investment via online. Okay, so first things first, you need to download the BPI Online App. You can get this on both iOS and Android. Once you open the app, click Start Investing. You will receive a disclaimer that you will leave the mobile app, so just click Proceed. You need to have an existing BPI deposit account to proceed. Now, select your BPI investment fund. Let's click BPI Invest UITF because we are trying to invest in UITF. You can see a video here that you can watch in order to better understand investing in BPI's UITFs. Tick this one here and then click Continue. Okay, so you need to log in with your BPI online account details. Click Accept, input the OTP sent to your mobile number. Now, review and verify your information. Check if it's correct. And then click Confirmed. You need to take the client suitability assessment. This will identify what type of risk management or risk profile you have. Just answer it. Once finished, click Submit and they will identify what type of risk profile you have. For this account, it is moderately aggressive with a risk score of 110. With this, BPI can assess on what types of funds that are recommended for you to invest in. Okay, so select your settlement account. You can pick which account you want to get your funds for investing in, and then just click Continue. Then you need to review your profile. Again, double check if it is correct, and then click Continue. So we have the terms and conditions and the agreement. You may read it. I understand and accept the agreement, and click Submit. Once done, your application has been submitted and you will be given a reference number. There's that. Now, in order to check, just log in on the BPI Online App. Click this, click Investments, subscribe, and you should see the account you enrolled on the list of investments. Now that you've enrolled your account, then you can start investing on their UITF funds. You can check this video out on how to do it. I hope you guys learned something on this video. If you have any questions or you'd like me to discuss any topic, please comment down below. I'd appreciate it if you like this video. Hit the subscribe button and the notification bell in order to be notified on more videos similar to these. Thank you guys. Bye. Hit the subscribe button, bell, and the notification.